Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video from Amazing Facts Island channel. We want to make another controversial. Wait a minute. Oh, in the first second of the video, Sarah chose Uruguay without any waiting. What a controversial choice. Football experts believe that the probability of Portugal winning is 48% and Uruguay is 24% and equal to 28%. These two teams have played together once so far and the Uruguay won 2-1. We have to wait and see what the result will be. We predicted Argentina and Mexico very well. Thank you for watching this video and thank our lovely bird Sarah. And also, which team do you think will win this exciting competition? Write down in the comments for us.